Tired of manually responding to every customer inquiry? Let's unlock the power of automated messaging with Aisensy. First, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Automation or Chatbots section, usually found in the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens. Now, click on the Create New Automation button. This will open up a new window where you can define the trigger and the response for your automated message. Next, choose your trigger. This is the event that will initiate the automated message. Options include keyword detection, where a specific word triggers the message, a welcome message for new users, or even appointment reminders. Now, craft your message. Use the text editor to write your response. You can personalize the message by using variables, a customer name, or order number. You can also add images or videos to make your message more engaging. To make your messaging even more timely, set a schedule for when the automated messages should be active. For example, you might only want appointment reminders to go out a day before the scheduled time. Finally, save your automation and make sure it's toggled on. You can create multiple automations for different scenarios and easily manage them from this page. And that's it. Now, Aisensy will automatically respond to customer inquiries, send reminders, and even promote offers, freeing up your time and boosting customer satisfaction. Start automating today.